Welcome to another ONDO update. Like always, make sure to check out our YouTube memberships and our Patreon if you want access to all of our charts and if you want access to our daily Discord updates. And let's talk about the setup. So here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are currently working on the fifth wave to the upside. The target for that is at around $1.28. And before we get to these targets, we have to stay above the 200-day moving average because, as you can see, we got above it over here. We tried testing it and, that was a fourth wave move down, which was normal, but this was pretty much a rejection of the 200-day moving average. So what we need to do right now is maybe stay above it and then test it at some point, and then we could make our way to the fifth wave targets right there. Also remember, we just had a cross on the bull market support band over here, and the last time something like this happened was right here, and as you can see, after that we went up quite a lot. So I think there's the potential that ONDO goes up a lot in the short term and even in the long term. And let me go on the weekly chart right now, or actually the daily. And on the daily, we are still tracking a much bigger third wave to the upside. So I think this is a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And off that third wave right now, we only have a 1, 2 setup. And in the second wave move down, we got to the 0.786 support level. It's not the best looking setup over here, but we could recover. And my next target would be the third wave of this 1, 2 setup, which is at $5.25. Then after that, we could get a fourth wave move down, and the fifth wave move up could put us somewhere in this area. Now the problem is that the third wave and the third wave of the third wave have the exact same target for the top for that wave, and that's not really a good thing because this means there's gonna be a lot of resistance in this area, and the main third wave could actually top over here. So don't expect the main third wave of the third wave to get to $5 because maybe it's not gonna do that, and maybe we're just gonna form some kind of, maybe A, B, C for the third wave. So keep that in mind. And that could make sense because the first wave right here does not really have 5 waves up. So if the third wave is an ABC, then it's still good because after that we could still get a fourth wave and a fifth wave, and I think ONDO still has potential to get maybe above $10 in the next couple of months if Bitcoin dominance starts dropping. So that's pretty much it. Again, make sure to check out our YouTube memberships and our Patreon, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.